Two of my favorite in one snack, today's recipe is perfect for any party. And I promise this is going to be the first dish that will vanish from your table. Now let's get started on this super easy and delicious recipe. First, let's prepare the samosa filling. Start by taking your boiled potatoes and peeling them. Mash them until there are no lumps left. This is crucial because you want the texture to be smooth and uniform. Now for a beautiful aroma, we'll crush some coriander seeds. Just lightly crush them to release their natural oils and fragrance. After this, heat a tablespoon of ghee, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, chopped ginger and green chilies. Keep it stirring while they sizzle. Now add chopped coriander, crushed coriander seeds, and a splash of water. Stir everything well. Toss in the mashed potatoes, season with salt, red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala to give it that iconic tangy flavor. Now here's the key part. Mix it all thoroughly. You want each bite of this filling to be well seasoned. Once done, set it aside while we prep our no-maida pizza base. Take your pizza base, brush it lightly with oil. This will make it crispy in the oven. Now spread the potato mixture evenly across the base. It's time to sprinkle some grated cheese generously on the top. Place the assembled pizza in a preheated oven and bake it at 180 degrees centigrade for about 10 minutes. Once this is done, take the pizza out of the oven and then it's come to the fun part. Drizzle some tamarind chutney for a sweet and tangy punch. Green chutney for a refreshing herby flavor. Next, sprinkle some save over the top of that classic crunch you get in that chaat. To finish, garnish with bright, juicy pomegranate seeds and some more fresh coriander leaves. And there you have it, your samosa pizza chaat is ready to be served. It's crispy, cheesy, spicy, and absolutely mouth-watering. Crispy samosa, melty cheese, zesty flavor packed in every bite. This is a must-try snack. Call it Samosizza, Naanizza or Pizza Chaat, but you have got to try it. This is so good.